In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Paylinks in Wix. If you're managing an online business using Wix, being able to efficiently collect payments is essential. Paylinks are a straightforward way to simplify this process, giving your customers easy and flexible options to make their transactions. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create and customize your very own Paylinks ready to integrate seamlessly with your business operations. First up, navigate to the Paylinks section. Start by accessing your site's dashboard on Wix. Once you're there, look for the Get Paid section. Within it, you will find Paylinks. This is your starting point for managing all aspects of payments through links. Familiarizing yourself with this part of the dashboard is crucial as it houses all the necessary tools you need to create and handle your Paylinks efficiently. Now let's create a new link. Click on Create Link to initiate the process. Here you have the flexibility to choose between a one-time payment link or a multi-payment link. Your choice here will depend on whether you want to facilitate a singular transaction or establish a schedule for recurring payments. Selecting the appropriate option will set the foundation for your customer's payment experience. Enter the link details meticulously. Start by giving your link a link name and specifying the price. These are mandatory fields. Don't forget that you have the option to include a description of the product or service you are selling, along with an item image, which can make the payment link more engaging and clearer for your customers. These details not only provide essential information, but also enhance the overall appearance and professionalism of your payment request. Next, it's time to customize the settings to fit your business needs. By selecting Open Settings, you gain access to several customization options. You can set an expiration date for the link if the offer is time sensitive, adjust the appearance of the link to align with your brand's aesthetics, and manage additional details like tax settings and the button text that customers will see. Customizing these settings helps tailor the payment experience to meet both your business objectives and customer expectations. Now you're ready to share the link. Once your Paylink is fully set up, distribute it to your customers. You can share it in several ways, through an email, as a QR code, or via social media platforms. Each method offers unique advantages, so choose the one that best suits your marketing strategy and customer engagement practices. And there you have it, a complete guide to using Paylinks in Wix. By following these steps, you're well on your way to streamlining your payment processes and enhancing the ease with which your customers can interact with your business. With these tools at your disposal, you can focus more on building and growing your enterprise. Happy selling!